step-by-step guide to an amicable divorce in Lancaster. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you and your spouse in Lancaster are on the same page, an amicable divorce can save you time, stress, and money without ever stepping foot in court. Here's how it works. First, we e-file your divorce with the Los Angeles County Superior Court. Second, your spouse signs a form to avoid formal service. Third, you both complete your financial disclosures. Fourth, we draft your settlement agreement covering property, debts, and support. Finally, we submit your judgment for court approval. We recently helped a Lancaster couple complete all 5 steps in just 2 weeks, and their divorce was approved without a single rejection. At divorce661.com, we manage the entire process from start to finish, ensuring your case is done right the first time. If you want a smooth, quick divorce in Lancaster, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation today.